Bore da, good morning. Life on the mountain. It's a little bit murky, but it's dry. So, first thing, breakfast for the girls. That's Dilys, the black one. Gwen is the white one, and then Bella. Give me 3 lovely eggs every morning. Seems I spoke too soon, there's only one. There will be later on though. Amazingly, there's still raspberries. Pick those later. And there's Umfra, otherwise known as the tree cat. Loves going up this tree for some reason. Lovely Welsh saying on the left-hand side there, lle I enaid gael llonydd. A place for the soul to find peace. That is so true. So the plan for today is to continue working on the forge roof to get that waterproofed before winter really sets in. Come on then, Skipper Nell. And I'm hoping now over the winter that I'll have more time to do a bit of sculpture work, like this one I did earlier in the year. All done out of the slates that had come off the roof when they redid it about 15 years ago. And of course Nell's been doing some digging, so I'll need to fence this out and reseed it as well. Don't know how I'm going to stop her from doing that, but at least she's just sticking to one section. Mostly. Skip's telling me that possibly I should have taken the egg out of my pocket before putting my phone in there. Oh dear Skip, that'll be a treat for you and your food. Just a bit of insight on what goes on when I'm not guiding. So here goes. Bit of fixing on the forge roof today. Bit of a rookie error yesterday where I forgot to chop the end of one of the beams off. Here goes. It's now time for a tea break. And I have to say, this is a perfect spot. Perhaps I should build a terrace on top of the forge. Uh-oh. Just spotted a pool of sunshine. I hope it's coming my way. So nice to have dry weather to work on this roof. Well, I wouldn't be doing it otherwise. Can you see Tyddyn Grasod in the centre screen? See if I can point it out to you. Just there. That's an old cottage. And mine would have originally just been the same as that. A one-storey tŷ siambar, we call it in Welsh. Like a long house with a crog loft in it. So that's what mine would have been originally. So glad that people over the centuries saved this. I think that's enough progress for one day. The making of a chimney, finally put one through the actual roof itself. Still some work, and I know it's a bit wonky, but it'll be fine. It's very amusing when Umfra sits next to the metal cat. Well, off out for the evening now. Thanks for joining me. Diolch am welch chi. Got to the car and my glasses had dropped out of my jeans pocket. Thank goodness Martha found them. Good girl, ynde, Marth.